what is definition of tangent plane? Okay, the definition of the tangent plane is the plane through a point of the surface that contains the tangent line of to all the curves on the surface through the same point. Okay, so a tangent plane to the surface of the graph of a function of two variable. Okay, which is z equal to f x y. Okay, give the best linear approximation to the function. Graphically, the tangent plane mesh this line of the surface is at the point. Okay, now I will explain more about here. We can look at this the graph. What I draw is this is the curve and this is the tangent plane. The plane, which is the P point is the tangent, which is plane meets with the curve. Okay, the P is x naught, y naught, and z naught. Okay, for the curve is z equal to fx y. Okay. For the formula, z equal to z naught plus mx times with x minus x naught plus my times y minus y naught. Okay, for the z naught is approximate same with fx naught y naught. Okay, for the mx times x minus x naught is actually the slope along the x-axis. Okay, for the my times y minus y naught is slope along the y-axis. Okay, for the linear approximation, as we know, the formula is the fxy approximate fx naught y naught plus with fx x naught y naught times with x minus x naught plus fy x naught y naught times with y minus y naught. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
The first objective is determine the equation of a tangent plane to give surface at a point. The second, use a tangent plane to approximate a function of two variables at a point. And third, explain when a function of two variables is different. So lastly, use the total differential to approximate to the change in a function of variable.
Okay, I want to talk about our fila table. For the fact is, first, Amir went to the skateboard playground to do his daily routine of practicing skateboard. Second, the place has a tangent plane surface. Third, Amir fell from the skateboard at point 2 minus 1. Okay, for the ideas, first, the function fxy equal to 2x squared minus 3xy plus 8y squared plus 2x minus 4y equal to 4. Second, find fx xy and fy xy. Third, use equation x naught equal to 2 and y naught equal to negative 1. For the learning issue, what is the value of point z? Lastly, for the action, first surf the internet, second group discussion, and lastly finding information from books in the library. That's all from me.
So today I will explain about our questions. So our question is, in the evening, Amir went to the skateboard playground to do his daily routine of practicing skateboard. The skateboard playground has a tangent plane surface and suddenly Amir has failed from the skateboard at point 2 negative 1. So the equation of the tangent planes to the surface defined by fxy equal to 2x square minus 3xy plus 8y square plus 2x minus 4y equal to 4. So the question is, find the equation of the tangent plane to the surface and the point that I may fail. Okay, so I'm going to explain more about our question. So as we can see in front, the summarize for the question is find the equation of the tangent plane to the surface defined by the function fxy equal to 2x squared minus 3xy plus 8y squared plus 2x minus 4y plus 4 at point 2, -1. So firstly, we have to find the derivative of fx and fy. So from these equations, the derivative of fx, we got 4x equal to 3y plus 2. So the derivative of fy, we got negative 3x plus 16 minus 4. So the second we substitute the value of point 2, -1 into this equation, the derivative of fx and the derivative of fy. So like you can see in front, after we substitute the value of 2 and -1, after we substitute the value of x equal to 2 and y equal to -1, we got fx equal to, we got the function of x, the function of f equal to 34. The value of derivative of fx is 13, and the value of fy, or the derivative of fy, is negative 26. Okay. So the question, we have to find the value of z. So from this is the formula how to find the value of z. Okay, from these formulas, we can see this is the equation given, the function of f. This is the derivative of fx, and this is the derivative of fy. So from these formulas, we just substitute the answer that we obtained before. So as we can see, after we substitute the values, we can get the equation of 34 plus 13 multiplied by x minus 2 minus 26 multiplied by y negative y minus -1. So after we expand this equation, we can get the value of z is equal to 13x minus 26y minus 18. So the function of fz, after we calculate all you can see before, we got 2x squared minus 3xy plus 8y squared plus 2x plus 4y plus 4. So that is the solution for our questions. That's all from me. Thank you.
In conclusion, the plane tangent are the function of two variables. Thus, graphically, the plane tangent match the slant of the surface at a point. For a tangent plane to a surface to exist at a point on the surface, it is sufficient for the function that define the surface to be differentiable at the point. We discuss and define the term tangent plane here and then explore the idea intuitively. Lastly, a tangent plane to a surface does not always exist at every point on the surface, so we must consider the function. That's all from me. Thank you.